Guys, so on this tire I'm going to be fixing this tire today because for every 3 days in a row, 3 days in a week, I usually have a flat on this, but I've been busy and I've not really had time to fix this. So I'm going to take out my time now to take this out and find where the fault is and fix the tire. And most times when you're trying to do a DIY, more failure will kick in. Like, we kick in no matter how you get to know about what you're trying to do. Example now, this morning I had a spider wheel spanner that did not work because one of these nuts was kind of stubborn. It was not coming out. I think, yeah, this was not coming out. So the spider wheel spanner keep wearing out. So I had to go and get this, and this is better with these sockets because it has 19 mm and 17 mm. So this socket for losing the tire wheel nut is better and reliable. So I'm about to take this tire out now. We have our jack. We have this stand, and we have this tool for fixing the tire, which I'll get to open very soon. Then we have use this stone to like wedge the tire so that when trying to loosen the tire, the vehicle will move. So let's begin. So now the tire is out, and that's the axle sand with the jack up. So this is the tire. When there was a puncture, I think it's around this side. So let's try and check where the leak is coming from. So this is soap water solution I made right from the kitchen, and I drilled a hole here. So let's find where the leakage is in the tire. After so much of looking for where this leak is, because like I said, it happens like like the tire usually have a flat like every three days in a week. So I have to pump it, like I have to inflate the tire every 3 days, like in a week, or 4 days in a week. So that means the hole is kind of very, very small. So it's usually it will be difficult for me to look for. So I finally found it. So this is it. This is it. That's it. That's the hole. So I have to mark it and fix this now. So this is the hole, and this is the tool we use. So first of all, we use this to drill the hole to make it cleaner and bigger. Then we use this, we insert one of these inside this, then put it in the tire. So this is that part. So we have to insert this, forcefully insert this inside this. This requires a lot of energy because you are forcing this inside. I have to drill the hole again with this so it will be bigger, and how to push it up and down so that I can get a bigger hole in the tire. Then the secret of inserting this is having to turn it. What I discovered is having to turn it clockwise. So I'll put down the camera now. So at this point I've had most of the length inside the tire. So now I'll pull this out. So after pulling it out, this is what is left out of it. So it's done. So I have to cut this part of it neatly. Part of it so it will be neat. So I'm done cutting it. That's it. You can hear there's no leaking sound, nothing. Everything is fine. So let's now install the tire back. Now let me plug one of my favorite car tool. Noxing. So see how fast it is.